Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here to supply you a couple channel updates. Nothing too major here today, but got some big news. Let's roll that intro and let's get to it. Alright, so, you know, if you've watched enough of my videos, you've noticed that I have mentioned on few occasions that I am having another child. Hooray! it's really awesome. But, so we're having another kid. I'm filming this at the beginning of July. For a video in August, so I'm talking about things that actually haven't happened yet, but I already know. I kind of wanted to get a game plan in place for when the baby arrives. So I just want to kind of give you a heads up what the channel is going to look like during those time frames. So first and foremost, the times where I'm able to do 2 episodes a week are going to probably be reduced for a couple months, so probably August and September. I'll definitely be doing once a week updates, as opposed to my maybe twice, sometimes 3 times a week posting schedule. Just anyone who's had a kid knows, woo, junk. Anyone who's had a kid knows how much time they take up, and you know, these are the precious moments, they say, and this is our last kid. And so I want to definitely enjoy every moment that's available. But you still will see 1 episode a week, because guess what? I still need to get out of the house every now and then and clear the head. So that's going to be the first part, is once a week videos. And 2, my weekly show with Dyna, I'm thinking will not be impacted as of right now. That show doesn't start until 8 o'clock my time anyway, and my wife is going to be on leave for 2 months after the child is born anyway, so I feel like I will be able to still continue to do that show. That's another little bit of a therapy and stress relief for me, is sitting down with you guys for 3 hours and just hashing it out, talking bikes, talking. No, we don't really get into politics, but talking everything else. So that's the next part, is going to be that Dyna and myself, dynamic duo, should maintain its course. So that will not be actually changing. What might be a new aspect to the channel, and I haven't decided yet, would be if I am going to start introducing more family aspects or more of my life into the channel. Because I'll be honest, I have 2 YouTube channels. I have this one that you are used to seeing, and then I have another one that I don't promote, and I would never ever promote it, because what I use it for is 2 things. I use it to post videos of my kid that I have now, so my parents can easily access and see those videos. And then I also use it as if I need to do like some sort of testing on a channel, like before I would upload a video here, I usually upload it to this test channel, and that way I can share it with a couple close confidants and get their feedback before I actually would post live. But I would like, get around this guy. But I would like to eventually maybe start including more aspects of my family. I mean, you've met my wife in my dual vlogs. I think we had 1 3-part episode really, but you met my wife and you met my dad, obviously. But, and I guess also you've kind of met my kid. He's popped up on our live streams every now and then, but I kind of want to, I don't want to deter it from a motorcycle channel, so I don't want to just post videos of my kids shooting off fireworks or anything like that. I want it to still be motorcycle related or bike related in some aspect. So let me know what you guys think about that, because my kid is pretty good into motorcycles, and the idea was originally to get him a Harley-Davidson electric balance bike for his birthday, but he's just not quite there yet. So that could be a upcoming Christmas video, I guess you could say. But yeah, just kind of let me know what you think, and because those are going to be kind of the new aspects of the channel. What would be nice about that is if I need to put a video out on a Friday or a Monday on a, you know, an off Wednesday posting, I can make up something really quick with my family and kind of do that. So if that's something you guys are interested in knowing, is knowing more about me and my personal life, again, I'm going to keep work completely out of it due to social media policies that I must abstain by. But let me know if you guys you know, want to, you know, see things along those lines, or let me know truthfully if you saw a video like that, would you even click on it? So I just thought I'd provide you this little quick update here today. Again, I'm so thankful for everyone who's joined the channel here over these past few months, and thank you for understanding with my family that you know, the postings could go down, the social media presence could go down a little bit. So with that being said, I will catch you guys on the dark side, as this is the way. ChopperFett, seeing you guys.